Hey folks, I have a treat for you today. Mighty fine booty. Not my booty, obviously. This is a fantastic little ringtone. Actually, it's a bit longer. I'd call this a sample more than a ringtone or a loop. And I've given it a real bluesy edge. I really like it. Some southern twang in there. So this is free for personal use. Don't forget. And so no reproductions from now on, I'm afraid. You can also buy a higher quality version. But this one's great for you guys. This is great for fooling around with, experimenting, sending to the person that you have a crush on because they've got a mighty fine booty, or maybe you've got the mighty fine booty. Enjoy, my friends.
I still